Hi, this presentation will explain the COPD Pocket Consultant app and how to use it in less than 5 minutes. My name is Timothy Vincent, and I am a registered nurse at St. Petersburg College. You'll find my source at the bottom of each slide. Let's get started. The COPD Pocket Consultant Guide app is a free app that you can download on an iPhone or Android device. It works on most phones and tablets. This app helps people with COPD take care of their health and talk to their doctors. In this video, I'll explain the app's key features, including the main menu, activity tracking, COPD assessment, My COPD action plan, helpful videos, the For My Next Visit section, and the wallet card. For navigating the main menu on the right, you can see the main menu in the app. It includes important features like inhaler videos, activity tracking, and My COPD action plan. You can tap each tab to open that section. At the bottom right, there's a View More button that takes you to another menu with extra tools, like the COPD assessment and a guide on how to use the app. The activity tracking feature helps you keep track of your daily activities. You can use the preset options or add your own. This log shows your progress, helps spot patterns, and allows you to share your results with your doctor. The COPD assessment, or CAT score, is a short quiz that helps you understand how you're feeling. Are you improving? How do you feel compared to last week? Your score can help you and your doctor see how you're doing. The My COPD Action Plan section lets you write down your symptoms each day. The app then gives you your steps to help manage them. Just follow the prompts to get started. This app has videos that show you how to use your inhaler and nebulizer correctly. It also has exercise videos made just for people with COPD to help with breathing and staying active. The For My Next Visit feature helps you prepare for your next doctor's appointment. It gives you useful questions to ask and allows you to track any symptom changes to share with your healthcare provider. The wallet card is like a mini health record that you can keep on your phone. It stores important information like your medications, allergies, COPD assessment scores, and test results. Since most people carry their phones everywhere, this is a great way to always have your health info handy. You can update it easily and share it with your doctor when needed. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Goodbye.